Hello. Over the course of this summer, I can truly say I have learned a lot in English 202D and will surely use what I have learned to further myself in my career and achieve the lofty goals I have set for myself. In this presentation, I will discuss 5 different skills that I have picked up and describe how they will help me in my career journey. Those 5 skills are time management, communication, writing, teamwork, and conflict resolution. First, time management. This summer, I've been working around 60 hours per week for a private contractor. This job requires plenty of manual labor, both indoors and outdoors. Throughout my day, I'm constantly sweating and using heavy machinery to assist me in my work. The skill of time management has allowed me to use my time efficiently and be able to work long, hard days and complete this class that I need to graduate. When I come home from a long day of laying concrete or moving lumber, I usually have about an hour or two in me before I am in bed snoring. This class has forced me to manage my time correctly and taught me the benefits of being able to do multiple large tasks in one day. This will surely help me in my career, as working efficiently is a vital skill in the workforce. Second, communication. I have picked up the skill over the course of this class, and that I have better learned to communicate with those around me and those in charge of me. I have had a slip-up or two and was left to email Professor Darno with an explanation. This skill is vital because without it, those in charge of you are left in the dark as to what is going on in your world. People make mistakes, and when it comes to school or the workplace, they can almost always be fixed with a simple conversation and some hard work. However, without this vital skill, small issues can snowball into greater ones, which can ultimately lead to serious consequences. Through this class, I have surely sharpened my writing skills. This is a skill my mother always preached to me, as she is convinced a good writer has an advantage over other applicants or interviewees. The ability to convey your feelings and opinions is an important skill because it allows for another outlet of emotion other than speaking. This class has taught me to be short and sweet in some instances, or long and proper in others, but that it is always important to know one's audience. Next, teamwork. In this class, I worked in a pair to complete my final proposal project. Initially, one could think that working in pairs would make the assignment far easier. The answer to that is both yes and no. Yes, in that the workload could be spread out in a greater variety, but no, in that it was actually quite difficult to work together over the phone on a project with such strict guidelines. However, I learned to understand what my partner wanted and to convey my thoughts in a polite and respectful way. The skill is crucial in the business world, as most likely we will all interact with other employees in one way or another. Finally, this class has taught me the uber important skill of conflict resolution. Whether it was working with due dates or just simply completing difficult assignments, I have learned to cope with conflict and solve the issue to the best of my abilities. The skill is important because most everyone who is hired fresh out of college has little to no experience with their actual job tasks. All skills are mastered through repetition and plenty of experience on site. Being able to be a problem solver shows a boss that you are willing to address issues, make mistakes, and then learn from them. I believe this is a very important quality to have in the workforce. Thanks for listening.